Okay, this is Windows 8, and one thing I noticed that's kind of cool and different, kind of messed with it a little bit, but that's Task Manager, which you can basically just launch with the hotkeys just like in Windows 7, and it's a bit of a different take on what we would expect from the current ones. You can kind of see it lists processes, but it gives a lot more of like a graphical representation, and you know, percent of memory, percent of disk, network. It's got it broken down by applications, background processes, window processes. So it's kind of cool. CPU percent. Performance is, you know, kind of a more of a graphical thing than before. This is just a single core CPU, so obviously just one graph, but got some stuff here. I'm pretty sure, you know, you can modify what you want to see here and filter. Gives app history, which is kind of nice. You know, gives you some idea. Obviously I've not messed around with this too much, so it doesn't have much history. Startup basically looks like processes at startup, but nothing's listed. Users, details, just kind of details of different processes, and then the services, kind of similar to the old one, just a little more. So overall, it kind of looks like Windows 8 is going to have a cooler Windows Task Manager than Windows 7 and Vista had, and which kind of weren't that different than the old XP, so it's kind of cool.